Hi guys, so here's a quick video how to replace the cushions in Sony's XM3s, and I think also you can use the same way in XM4s if you have those. So as you can see, these are starting to look quite worn out, so I think I bought these in 2018, so I think these are like 7 years old, so you can see them. And actually these are now my secondary earphones. I now mostly use my XM6s, and in XM6s the padding is a little bit, I think, harder, but it helps with the noise isolation. This is much more softer and I kind of like them, but maybe it's not so good for the sound isolation. So let's check how this works. I have these really basic replacement cushions from AliExpress. I can put you a link, but these aren't maybe the best. These are a little bit harder than the original XM3s, but actually these are a little bit closer to XM6s, the hardness. So basically maybe the isolation is better with these, but maybe not so comfortable. But I labeled the link there. I'm not sure if it's the best shop, I just bought them randomly. So maybe these aren't the best, but I can put some other links from AliExpress that I haven't used, but maybe based on good reviews. So you can then maybe use my affiliate codes if you want to support the channel, but with your own risk, because I haven't tested those. I put these what I've used in the video. So here I just use some small knife, maybe a kitchen knife, and just snap there on the side. Really easy. Like that. You can actually see from the new ones, when you get those, where are the studs that attach these parts. So just carefully pop those studs up. Boom. As you can see, the old one, the cushion, it's a little bit worn out here also already. The other one also. Let's take these off. You can basically could use these also if you want, but these come with the replacements. Actually, as you can see now inside, where the speakers, funny that those screws there, you can see they're actually like rusted in, because maybe some of the sweat has gotten in. That's about it. The taking off, and then second, you can check these. There's this straight line here. You can put the cushion there, so it matches. And other ones also. I think, let's see which one is which. You just match. There's also this kind of slope here, so you have to match it that it's matches the bottom here. I think there's a slope also, so match those, so it should then look quite even. But yeah, there's a slope underneath, so those should match. Like that. Then here also the straight line goes down, so you just find, so then you just put this like this, so then you just have to find kind of these parts that snap in. So I think also depends on your cushion how snappy they are. But you just find the spots. Okay, so you just find the spot. So, and you can, in the end, you can just check. God damn it. So that's how you just snap them in. Actually, I had a little bit difficulty now getting these attaching. So you just snap them in. So pretty simple. Check maybe some reviews online, what are the best pads to maybe buy. I put some links and check like what could be good. The feeling with this pad is a little bit harder than the original, but of course these were way too soft. Also, I don't even remember what were the original like, but I feel that they were more softer. But now you basically have a better now look for your headphones. Still rocking. So I will still use the XM3s as a replacement pair to my newer XM6s. So that's about it. Please like and subscribe and check my affiliate links. It helps the channel. Also, my LED light is dying out, the battery. Okay, it's a timeout, says my LED. I didn't recharge it. Okay, anyway, this was my quick video. Please like and subscribe. Okay, see you guys, bye.